I'm trying to reach Paul Schaefer.
Paul Schaefer? I haven't seen him today. Can I take a message?
No. Is Wes Fitzgerald around?
What's up, Lydia?
Oh, hi, Wes. It's Lydia. How are you?
I know. I can tell you what's up.
It's a little hard to hear you from where I am at.
I hear you.
Here's the thing. I have to file, in order to protect myself against a bunch of psychiatrists who are lying about me, I have to file a defamation suit.
Right.
So I went down to Elmhurst Hospital to check my medical records. Now,
Right.
my medical school is angry and frustrated because they've been trying to label me for years. And
I remember we talked about that. Mm-hmm.
as I'm leaving Rikers, they made up this story that I had to go through discharge planning.
Right.
Which was just bogus because I don't need discharge planning. I have Social Security disability for spinal injuries. I don't need Social Security insurance. So I go down. So there's this psychiatrist named Canale. I'm going to have to sue her for defamation because I'm not her patient. She has no business writing me up or billing Medicaid. So I go down to Elmhurst Hospital to check the medical records because I got a file and I just want to check a few things. And I discovered that the U.S. Marshals had left 2 pages in my medical records that state that I might be a threat to the life of a federal judge. Now, that's not true, and I'm wondering why they would portray me in that false light when I'm the one who called the Marshals from Rikers Island because I was so scared.
Now, remember, we talked about this before. Was that with the Southern District Marshals?
Correct. So now I have to call them.
You got to talk to them because you're dealing with apples and oranges like we talked about before. We can't speak on their behalf. As to why
I understand, but now that it's in my medical records, I got to talk to them and I got to say, listen, I never threatened a federal judge. A municipal court judge named Nino Falcone threatened me. I've been giving you guys evidence for like a year, so you know I'm telling the truth. But, apparently, because these 2 pages of documents are in there and they've been in that medical record for a year now, or a year and a half, either I get something that says, hey, we did an investigation and Lydia Radin's fine, or, I'm going to have to talk to them about that. I called them. So if Judge Patterson is running around telling people, because this is what usually happens, this is the way I get played, I go to the appropriate official saying I got a legitimate complaint, and then I get, oh, she's harassing me. Oh, I'm so scared. No, you're not. I'm the one who is harassed. I'm the one who's physically assaulted. I'm the one who's being stalked. I've pretty much had it. So if Judge Patterson is saying that, he's got to suck it up and start explaining why he's refusing to uphold federal law on a number of points. But I'm not going through life having these 2 pages of she may be a threat to the life of a federal judge. Why would they even do something like that? That's not true.
Right. Well, like we talked about before, Lydia, you got to talk with them.
Okay, so just to make sure that I'm not hunted anymore, I'm going to try to get through to them.
Okay, do your thing.
All right, thanks.
All right.
Bye.